Imagine a world where your iPad transforms into a magical calculator, a portal to numerical wonders. With a flick of your finger, complex equations dissolve into elegant solutions. Need to calculate the trajectory of a flying unicorn? Just type it in, and voila! The iPad conjures up the answer, complete with whimsical animations dancing across the screen. But it doesn't stop there. This enchanted device learns your preferences, predicting your next calculation like a wise old wizard. Want to explore the mysteries of pi? It serves up fascinating facts and quirky trivia, turning math into a delightful adventure. And let's not forget the stunning visuals. Each calculation is accompanied by vibrant graphics that make numbers feel alive, almost like they're performing a magical ballet. With every tap, you're not just solving problems, you're embarking on a journey through the enchanting realm of mathematics, where every equation is a spell waiting to be cast.